Hi, this is Fernando Herboso with Herboso & Associates, reallynicehomes.com. Today we're going to be speaking about short sales, more specifically about short sales with Chase Bank. So let's begin this process. We're going to be talking about the required steps you should take according to Chase Bank before you can initiate a short sale transaction with them. First of all, I would like to congratulate you to at least you're being proactive about this, and do not worry. Most of your neighbors are going through the same situation, and you are one step in front by being proactive and seeking for a solution to help your family. And so we're going to start with the step number one, which is the refinance process. If possible, you should try this first. Sometimes a reduction of interest rates and changing the terms of your loan from a 30-year to a 40-year may be enough difference for you to be able to afford the mortgage payments in your home. But you have to understand that to do a refinance with Chase, you have to be current in your payments at the time of the refinance. Step number two, financial counseling. This is for people that have enough money. They make enough money to make the mortgage payments, but they're still having problems making those payments. This is how you can arrange your financial difficulties with maybe taking some credit cards and completely cutting them out, changing the way that you're living, the way you're spending money. All those things are very important for Chase in order for them to actually consider a short sale. And if they see you make enough money, they will probably recommend for you to go through the financial counseling first. The step number three comes with the loan modification. This is a very important step for you. Number one is that this is when the bank is going to take all your information and then be able to offer you a better rate or a better mortgage payment, or maybe even a longer term as far as the loan. Just be very careful, because when you do a loan modification, you're basically doing another transaction. You're starting your loan all over again. And be very careful of what you are agreeing to with Chase Bank, because this is something that they will have to carry on for the next 30 to 40 years. It's very important that you know what are the consequences for this loan modification for you. Step number four, the most sensible solution when your mortgage is underwater obviously is a short sale, because in a successful short sale, they will allow you to sell the property, and basically the Chase is going to forgive you for the amount that is the deficiency to what you owe to them and versus what you're selling your property for. This is a very complicated negotiation. I do short sales all the time, and I can tell you, you have to be represented by a professional, but somebody who knows what they're doing, especially somebody who knows how to deal directly with Chase Bank and give them all the information that's required so you can get a success at the end. Obviously, the most important factor over here is that when you can live in your property while you're doing the short sale and giving you time to make other living arrangements whenever you move out of the house. In some cases, a short sale may not work for you, and then the step number five comes into consideration. Chase will allow you to do a deed in lieu of foreclosure when they see that you cannot do a short sale for one reason or another, or we cannot find a buyer for your property. And then basically this is when you negotiate with Chase about what are the terms of this deed in lieu of foreclosure. A deed in lieu of foreclosure, basically you just give Chase your keys and you walk out of the house, and that's it. It's done. So that is another way how to overcome a mortgage is underwater. And finally, if something does not come right, and for some reason or another Chase wants to pursue a foreclosure, obviously this can set you back 7 to 10 years, and a deficiency could be filed against your future wages, which is basically something that you should avoid completely. A foreclosure basically is the ultimatum, the worst thing that can happen to you financially, because it will take many years to recuperate from this, and you should try to avoid a foreclosure at all costs. Some of the programs that's available with Chase, as far as other programs that's also available with the government, are very important for you to realize that you need to be working with somebody who's knowledgeable about the programs, not just for Chase itself, but from the government. There are differences between a half a short sale and a Chase short sale, and you should pick the best. And obviously, who are you going to call at the end? You need somebody with that experience, the integrity and knowledge, and they will cost you any money to do the short sale. Call us. Thank you.